When you purchase a new grandfather clock, it will arrive in a very large box. Figuring out how to safely unbox the thing can be a little overwhelming. In this video, we will show you the simplest process to unbox and set up your new clock. The first thing you'll want to do before even opening the box is locate the Shockwatch. If the Shockwatch is red, please contact customer support. If it's not red, you are clear to remove the tape and the ties from the box. Next, carefully remove the clock from the box. We recommend 2 people for this part of the process. Once the box is free, take the box of weights from underneath the clock and set it aside for now. The clock will have foam, plastic, and other parts positioned all around. Remove these in whatever order you like. The Finial box, if your clock has one, can be found on top of the clock, and the pendulum, key, and gloves will be packaged on the back. Once the packing materials are cleared away, attach the Finial to the top of the clock. Take the bubble mailer and open it up. Inside you will find a set of gloves and the key. Use these gloves to unpack the pendulum. You want to avoid touching the brass with your bare hands, as this could cause marring to the finish. Depending on your grandfather clock, there may be varying ways to access the interior. Some have doors on the side, some have removable panels on the back, and the one we're unboxing today has a removable shroud. Once you figure out which one your clock has, you'll need to remove all the internal packing. There will be multiple pieces of foam in the chime rods, a plastic rack holding the top of the chains, as well as twist ties and a plastic bag holding the rest of the chains. Check the hammers to make sure they are aligned properly. If they're not, take a look at our video on adjusting hammers. You can find a card up in the corner and a link down in the pinned comment. Now it's time to get your clock into whatever spot it will be living. Once the clock is positioned, use the gloves to hang the weights and the pendulum. The weights will each have a little sticker on the bottom indicating where it should be hung. Finally, replace the shroud or close up the clock, depending on which style you have, and set the time. If the hammers are aligned, all you'll need to do is push the minute hand around the clock clockwise until you reach the correct time. Pull the weights up and now your new grandfather clock is running. Remember, you will need to pull these weights up at regular intervals. For all your clock needs, head over to emperorclock.com.